Okay, hi everyone. This is the final part of my series on how to solve linear equations. And the first two ways were graphing or substitution. The third way is what's called the addition method. I call it the elimination method. I think it's just a better name because what you're doing is you're eliminating one of the two variables. So the way this works is you're going to add the two equations together. That's what's called the addition method. But what happens when you do that is you're trying to eliminate one of the variables so that you have an equation with only one variable. Now, we got lucky here because this one, you see, if I add down, the y's will fall out because I have y minus y. So we don't have to do a lot of work. I'll come back and do some other videos where you have to do some multiplication, but in this one, it's easy. So what I'm going to do is add the two equations, and this is okay because I'm adding each of the sides. The equation is still in balance. I'm not making any major changes. So I have x plus 2x is 3x. I have y minus a y, which is 0, okay? And then I have 1 plus 2, which is 3. So I get 3x equals 3, okay? Now I solve for x. Remember, right now I have 3 times x. So I want to do the opposite of it to get rid of it. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide this by 3. But remember, I can't just do that randomly. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other to keep it in balance. 3 divided by 3. The 3's cancel each other to become 1. So this becomes just 1x or x. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I now know my x part of the solution is 1. Then it's similar to the substitution method. I go back and I plug it into one of the two equations. Again, pick the easier one. Be easy on yourself. If there's negatives in multiplication, don't worry about that. Pick this easy one. So we have x plus y equals 1. I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug it in here. So I get 1 plus y equals 1. Okay? 1 plus y equals 1. Now I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides because right now I have plus 1 added to y. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. And so 1 minus 1 is 0. So I get y on this side. 1 minus 1 is 0. I get 0. So y equals 0. So now I have the two pieces. X is 1, y is 0. Remember that it's an ordered pair, x and y, in alphabetical order. It's 1, comma 0. So I've actually proven 3 different ways to find the same answer to this equation, which is the solution set between these two lines, and they intersect at 1, comma 0. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll go back and make some more videos with special cases, like parallel lines or where the two lines are the same.